Convicted killer Alec Murdaugh denied a new murder trial. His attorneys were pushing for one after saying the Colleton County Clerk of Court tampered with the jury. Well, there was a hearing for that case today. WJCL 22 News' Brooke Butler joins us now in the studio. And Brooke, both the Clerk of Court and 11 of the 12 jurors took the stand today.
Yeah, Shannon, that's right. Just one of those jurors said she felt that she was influenced by Hill, but Hill denied any wrongdoing.
My name is Becky Hill, last name Hill, H-I-L-L.
Monday, the Colleton County Clerk of Court took the stand in an evidentiary hearing. This was to determine whether comments she made influenced the jury to issue a guilty verdict in the Alec Murdaugh double murder trial.
At any time, did you interact with any juror in an attempt to influence their view of the facts in the State v. Murdaugh case?
No.
But that contradicted what one juror told the judge.
Was your verdict influenced in any way by the communications of the clerk of court in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
And how was it influenced?
She made it seem like he was already guilty.
What did Ms. Hill say?
To watch his actions.
To watch his actions? What else?
To watch him closely.
Hill told the judge she did not say that to the jury and said her words ahead of Alec Murdaugh testifying were much more generic.
I do remember saying, pay attention, it's a big day today.
Murdaugh's lawyers feel Hill had a reason to influence the jury to issue a guilty verdict.
This whole scheme was about selling books.
Hill denied that, saying her book had no impact on her communications with the jury during the murder trial.
It didn't matter to me if it was guilty, not guilty, or a mistrial.
And Brooke, the judge also heard from an alternate juror and another clerk of court today.
Yeah, Shannon, their testimony conflicted with Hill's. Ultimately, the judge decided Hill made improper comments, but ruled those comments did not influence the jury's verdict. That's why she denied the request for a new trial. Shannon, back to you.
All right, Brooke, thanks so much. And Murdaugh is serving a life sentence for the murders of his wife and his son. For the latest updates on the cases against Alec Murdaugh or to review the timeline of evidence leading up to the murders of Maggie and Paul Murdaugh, you can visit our website at WJCL.com.